just start. So we're gonna do something fun. I still have some of my pumpkins left, so we're gonna make some pumpkin magnets. The wood Dollar Tree stuff, guys. I love it. We're gonna use just a few flowers, but we are gonna use some flowers. And we're gonna add a couple stencils to them. We're gonna paint them. We're gonna glue. I got the glue gun over here. We're gonna use it even though I think, I'm gonna turn it on right now actually so I don't forget. Probably burn up my glue stick that's in there. Are you ready? Are you ready? Let's do this thing. We're gonna use the terracotta tile. This is the orange that we used on the pumpkin the other day. And this enamelware. We're gonna do 2 orange and 1 mint enamelware. Don't get on my case about this. I know it's not a Halloween color or a fall, but I love it. I love the minty tealy, obviously. You know, look at my beads, look at my tabletop. I love it. It just makes me feel good. It's a feel-good color. We're gonna paint them first. I think I'll do my 2 orange first, and then we'll do the mint enamelware. Then we're gonna doctor them up. We're gonna pretty them out. Isn't that pretty? I just love it. What is it about pumpkins that makes me happy? This is kind of funny when you think about it. We grow a pumpkin.
And sometimes we eat them, sometimes we turn them into pies, but how many of you out there, I should take a poll, have actually made a pumpkin pie out of a pumpkin that you bought? And can you even do that? Because the thing is, like, are there certain pumpkins that are grown for pie and other ones that are not grown for pie? But what I'm saying is it's kind of strange that we grow decorative vegetables. Because that's what we do. A pumpkin is kind of like for show. It's a little strange, guys.
You know, and are the pumpkins that we use, I don't know. I got a booger. I just put my lid on. I did this over and now I have all these little bits from my edges. My tip here, once I let this dry, even though I've got a little piece of paint booger there, I can just flick it off. So we're gonna go on. Look, I only need 1 coat, Allie.
Oh my gosh.
Are you excited?
I'm so excited.
Let's go on to our mint enamelware. I should not open. You would think I would learn my lesson, right? Actually, here. Are we gonna sweep later?
Oh yeah.
Okay. If the kids did that, I'd have a heart attack. Yeah. Oh, I didn't shake it. All right, so we're gonna let that dry too. So what we're gonna do, this is the Reticate wax. It's soft wax. It's actually a repackage of Fids & Sons wax. It's just their clear wax. It'll get you high. So if you're in a bad mood, just paint something and wax it. It'll make you feel better. I promise. So now we're gonna do that. You gotta make sure your paint is dry. I'm just gonna take a little bit here. Wipe it on. Wax on. I'm gonna do both of the orange pumpkins first. And then I'm gonna switch to another part in my little rag here, because if I don't, I will have orange on my mint enamelware. I'm gonna use another dry towel or a dry rag to wipe it off. But if you have too much wax on your rag and you're wiping it off, it will pull the wax completely off. And we'll buff these out. And it will make it kind of shiny. Okay, so this is my plan, Stan. I thought this would be really cute. We're gonna do one of these. Pie. I thought it would be cute to use the fall words. We're gonna put pie. See, get it? Pumpkin, pie. Pumpkin, pie, get it? Isn't it cute? Okay, so we're gonna do that one. And then we're gonna use this one. It's my favorite. Pumpkin spice. Pumpkin spice. Yeah. I thought it would be cute. So we're gonna do 2 of those with the fall words. Oh, and then we're gonna do this one. We are going to do the plaid. I just think it'll be really cute. And then we have Sola, little minis, little small guys. See the little small guys? Aren't they cute? They're just so cute. So I thought they would look cute with these little tiny pine cones. And then we'll put them on here, you know, somehow. I don't know. I haven't really thought that part through yet. I think we'll chalk first, and then we'll glue these guys on. This is the mini plaid. So I think I'm just gonna stick it underneath here, because I know I can clean my paste off of this if I make a mess. Okay. Ooh, I kind of got some smushies. Some smushers, but I think it's okay.
Is that the scientific word?
Smushers. Cute, guys. All right, so we got that guy. Let's do the next one. So we have pumpkin spice and pumpkin pie. So let's do this. Look at that. Isn't that adorable?
It's so cute.
So let's peel this off. See how good these turned out though? I don't want to smear these, so we'll just make sure that they're all good to go. I really like decorative magnets, and so we're gonna put magnets on the back of these. I think I need some greens. Don't you think I need some greens? I think we're just gonna do raffia on this one, and then we'll just do the flowers on these. So I think we're gonna do something like that maybe. So there we have one, and it kind of covered up my pie a little bit. Next time I think I'll move the flower up a little bit. All right. Or I could put one down here. Okay, that's what we're gonna do. So we got that.
That's cute.
And then now let's get the raffia out. I want to get one that's not too stupid looking. The thing is, this should not be hard. This should not be the hardest part of the project. Oh my gosh. I'm not a bow person. Oh, there, I think this is gonna work. I'll get there someday. I'll be a professional bower. Okay, I think that's pretty good.
Cute.
Is that okay?
Yes.
I think we definitely need one on there too. The beacon. 3-in-1. Only $6.99 at your area Hobby Lobby. Okay, so we have our pie, and we have our spice, and we have our plaid. Now we're gonna glue these puppies on. Okay, that's probably, this one's probably my favorite. See, aren't they adorable? It's adorable, and we've got our little solo wood flower on there. So I love them. I love you all. Thank you all for watching. Thank you, thank you, thank you.